Hi everyone. I promise to keep this video a little bit shorter since the last one was a tad bit long. So this one's going to be on numbers and objects. You guys will see once I pull up the worksheet, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. This is something that we've completed in the classroom. So let me go ahead and flip my screen here to the worksheet and then we can get started. Again, if you have access to a printer, feel free to print the worksheet out and complete as we go through. If you do not have access to a printer, again, that's okay. I have fun ways for us to interact, and we'll just keep on moving here. Okay, so this is the activity that we're going to be focusing on in this video, and it's pretty much number correspondence. We've talked about this in school. We know that, if I hold up 5 fingers, that I have 1 finger for, for the number 5. If I say that I have if I'm looking for 3 pennies, I know exactly how many pennies I need to pull out to make sure that I have 3. So real quickly here, let's take a look at this part over here. Remember, we count up the dots and then draw the line to the number. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can see as an example, they already drew the line for us to 7. So if you're working at home, trace over that for me. If you're just following along with me, we'll just keep working through this. All right, the next one here, let's go ahead and count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you're going to find 9 over here, and let's draw our line. Good. Let's go to the next one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's find 10 over here and draw our line. So 10's up at the top. Here we go. Awesome job. Let's move on and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's find 8 on this side. It's right here. So we're going to draw our line. Awesome job. And our last one, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 towards the top there. So I'm going to draw my line up. There we go. All right, moving on to this part here. Now this is where it kind of gets tricky. Remember, you have to count the fingers first and draw your line to the number. Then from the number, draw your line to the dots. So let's take a look at the one that they have done for you. Here's your picture. So if you're working along, if you're just following along with me, I want you to show me, that picture. Make it with your hand. They have their thumb out. Okay. If you're working at home, you can feel free to do that as well. All right, so we have 1 finger. Let's go ahead and draw our line to the 1. And then from here, we need to find which box has 1 circle in it. And they did that for us, so let's just draw our line up. Awesome job. All right, so let's go up to the top here. If you're following along with me, show me this with your hand. And let's count the fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So we need to draw our line to the 3. Good. Then we have to find which box has the number 3, right? We're looking for 3 circles. If you're following along with me, can you point on your screen which box has 3 circles? If you're working at home on your worksheet, go ahead and you can draw your line. Good, so we're going down here. Awesome. Let's do this one. Show me on your hand. Right? Now let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to find 5. And then again, if you're following along with me, find which box over here has 5 circles in it. Good. This one here. Awesome job. Try to do these two on your own. All right, if you're working at home and you have the worksheet, go ahead and do these two. If you're following along with me, show me, let's do this one first. Show me this on your hand. Count them up. Point to what number you need to go to, and then from the number, point to the box. I'll give you some time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and mark it on here for us. This is 4 fingers, so we draw the number 4, and then we go to the box that has 4 circles. Good. Let's try this one down here. You're following along with me. Show me this on your hand. We know that this is the number 2, and we need to go to the box that has 2 circles. So there we go. All right, everyone, that is the end of this activity. Again, like I said, super easy. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment for me. Other than that, have a nice day.